In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Home Depot stock. This stock has given a breakout from an important resistance level, and along with that there are multiple positive factors which has already been materialized, and it would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy position before a massive upside move get triggered. Dear friends, if you'll make a closer look, this was in top where the stock had given a price-wise correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got corrected by price-wise. And there was a back-to-back lower lows. If you'll see the first lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows over here, and the third here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel break on the upper side, first time its lower lows sequence shifted to higher highs, and this is an area where we got in two major positive signal. The first one is downward sloping parallel channel got breakout on the upper side, and the second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that area as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. And now we will discuss the most important trigger, the most important signal, and that will be a chart pattern. If you'll see over here, you will be able to see there is a double bottom pattern breakout. Here we got a double bottom pattern breakout, and now very soon you will witness the target of first target will be 400 and $410 will be the first target, and the second target will be somewhere around to $415. So these are the two major target on the upper side, and in between there will be some rejection which will marked in blue colors. And my dear friends, this area of neckline will act as a strong support. If the stock comes down, this area will act as a support because multiple positive factors got triggered over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got this was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel get breakout on the upper side. And this was an area where we have seen the lower lows shifted to higher highs. And this is an area where we have identified the positive chart structure double bottom pattern breakout. So with due respect to all the positive breakouts, this area of neckline will act as a strong support. So far this area was in resistance, but after the breakout it will act as a strong support, and your stop loss should be below this strong support so that it won't get triggered so easily. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really love my analysis, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such videos.